working hard for every dollar you earn, is the primary reason you'll never be wealthy. It's a linear trap. You're trading finite time for finite money. Here's the technical reason that keeps you poor, and how to replace it with an automated compounding system. Most people believe that to make more money, they have to work more hours. The math proves that's false. If your income is tied directly to your labor, you hit a ceiling. Even if you earn $100,000 a year, if you aren't automating your surplus into assets that produce cash flow without you, you aren't building wealth. You're just sustaining a lifestyle. Wealth is created when your money makes more money while you're asleep. Automated Stream 1, Dividend Reinvestment. You buy dividend-paying stocks or ETFs. You don't withdraw the dividends. You use a DRIP, a dividend reinvestment plan. It's a technical loop. The brokerage automatically takes the cash dividend and buys fractional shares of the same asset. It compounds your share count without you executing a single trade. Automated Stream 2, the cash sweep. Holding cash in a standard checking account loses value to inflation. I use a money market fund or a high-yield cash account instead. One automated rule: any balance over my monthly expenses sweeps into the higher yield account at the start of the month. It maximizes liquidity while preserving capital. Automated Stream 3, dollar cost averaging. Market timing is a fool's errand. The system is simple: a recurring automated purchase into a broad market index ETF, like VOO or VTI. It triggers every 2 weeks, market up or down. That erases behavioral bias and lowers your average cost basis over time. The strategy is only as good as its execution. Here's your action item for today. First, log into your brokerage account and enable the DRIP setting on your holdings. Second, set up a recurring automated transfer for your DCA strategy, even $50 every 2 weeks. That's the difference between a saver and an investor. Don't wait for a better time to start. The system is the strategy. Build it today.